2013 Astra, the handbrake cable is like this, and you need to disconnect from inside, and then what you need to do, you need to use some wire or anything coming with that, otherwise you can't feed it back in, or it might be much more difficult to it. And this is how it came out, so no damage. And you need to pull it straight out. There is only one way, you can take it out straight like this. And don't forget to tie that wire on the top, otherwise it might be a disaster when you are installing the new cable. Yeah, it's a 2013 Astra, it's not bad. There are plastic clips here, one bolt holding here, and one more here. So 3 bolts, 2 bolts for one cable and 1 clip. So that is not hard, but this is the only thing, little bit difficult one.